Hi, Josiah. So basically, what this means is it wants you to select one for slope, and you'll see that the first three are slope, and the second three are y-intercept. The y-intercept is always going to mean what you start with, and so when we look at this, I can say, okay, what's the y-intercept mean? The y-intercept means what I start with for whatever the y is. So it says so. This one is going to be money started with. And so, depending on whatever the title of the Y is, so you're going to have title of the Y, and then it will ultimately stand for whatever you start with. And so, when I look at this, I go down and I find, okay, Y intercept. This one right here specifically says start with. So, I know that that one's going to be the right answer. Now, slope always means, this is going to be weird, title of the Y per title of the X. Because if you think about it, slope is rise over run. And so y always represents your rise, and your x always represents your run. Slope means rise over run. And so therefore, for this one, it literally means money per hour. Now, what you got to be careful with is sometimes they try to trick you up and they give you two titles. So like this one says dollars and then it says hours. So it literally means dollars per hour. And so then when you look at it, slope represents the amount of time you earn per money. No, because that would mean that the Y was time. Slope represents the amount of money you earn per hour. If you look, money earned per hour. So slope is always going to be the title of the Y per the title of the X. The y-intercept is always going to tell you what you start with. So for this one, it's the second one, the amount of money you earned per hour. And so you go through there and do that for all of these.